Hi, my name's Helen Baker, and I'm pursuing the MSW at this particular stage in my own life cycle, as I'm firmly into adulthood, and my kids are a little bit older now, a little more self-sufficient, and I'm jumping on an opportunity in both my personal and professional life to make this move. So I'm leaving a career in education. While hoping to ultimately end up in perinatal social work. I'm as a birth advocate worker, I'm very interested in continuing my work in supporting families at various stages in their reproductive lives, but more specifically in helping families navigate all the different potential things that come up during the perinatal period. I first became interested in this line of social work, helping a good friend navigate a catastrophic diagnosis during her own pregnancy, and it's become more personal as I support my brother and sister-in-law in dealing with a diagnosis for my niece. So I've had firsthand experience working with perinatal social workers, and I feel very much drawn to that line of work.